The topic of concussion is red hot, and for the last 2 years, it didn't make sense to cover this as a chiropractor because kids weren't playing sports, high school kids weren't playing sports, college, NFL, all of it got canceled. Now the time is perfect, and if you act quickly by clicking the tab below, you're gonna find out how you can understand this topic in depth, and I can position you as an expert in your community. It is very much a chiropractic topic. Concussion Roulette is the name of our virtual online program. And again, what I'm going to do is take this cultural conversation as sports come back, high school, college sports come back, and more athletes in your community are starting up their fall seasons. And I'm going to position you as the cultural authority. So cultural conversation is concussion, cultural authority is you. By clicking the tab, what you're going to learn is how Major League Baseball has changed rules, how the NFL has changed rules, and how that trickles down into the high school arena, which means everybody who's looking at this has a potential for new patients. Not just football, also basketball, also sports where they don't wear equipment. So it's not just collision sports, it's also contact sports. It's also sports where you wouldn't think that there would be concussions, but in fact, of the top 10 sports that have concussions, 6 of those 10 are female sports without equipment. So you're really going to enjoy this topic, and more importantly, if you position yourself right and join us for the Concussion Roulette online, totally virtual training, then you can be positioned as the authority in your community. Cultural conversation needs a cultural authority, that's you. And then what I'm going to do is teach you on this platform how to draw new patients, preseason new patients, patients before injuries happen, sports injuries. And if someone is severely concussed, completely confused, and out of their gourd, then we have an expert you can refer them to. So that 1% that isn't going to be within your wheelhouse, we have someone you can send them to. But the other 99%, the preseason 99%, the people that are wellness-based, not having injuries, but are subluxation oriented, hey, that's where I'm going to make you the expert in this conversation. You're going to learn how to do talks to teams, preseason events, sporting events, but way beyond American football. This is going to be good for rugby, lacrosse, basketball, even things like water polo. You're going to be amazed at what some of the statistics are for concussions, and it requires a preseason test in your practice. This is a new patient generation event as well as a learning experience for you, the chiropractor. Hey, join us for Concussion Roulette. Click on the link, you'll get some more information, but the time is now. The action is required, and we didn't teach this for the last 2 years because I didn't feel right. You see, athletes weren't playing, you didn't have a place to use us, so we just didn't do it. But sports are coming back, and so is chiropractic. Let's make chiropractic number one.